Widgets, hydration tracking. The hydration tracking feature on Garmin watches allows you to record daily water consumption directly using the watch, which helps you to build a good habit of drinking enough water every day. First, set the water consumption details through Garmin Connect App. When the watch is paired with the phone, select More, then enter Settings. Select User Settings. Select Hydration. Set the units and daily goal. If you enable Auto Increase, your device will adjust your daily goal based on the estimated amount of sweat loss during your activities. Lastly, set your drinking containers. When the setting is complete, sync with your watch. Next time when you're drinking water, you can enter the hydration tracking widget to record and check your daily water consumption. If your watch doesn't have the hydration tracking widget preloaded, or if you want to use other hydration apps, you can search and download through Connect IQ.